Hi everyone! In this video, I'll be teaching you how to fix Roblox not authorized to join this experience due to privacy settings. First things first, you want to go to the Roblox website. Click then on the gear icon in the top right corner. In here, select Settings and go to the Privacy tab. Under the Who Can Join My Game section, ensure that the setting is set to anyone. If it's set to friends only or private, change it to anyone. After that, visit the page of the Roblox experience you are trying to join. Look for the privacy setting of the experience, and if it's set to private, contact the creator and ask them to change it to public. However, if the issue persists after setting it to anyone or public, there might be a problem with your Roblox installation. You want to try reinstalling Roblox by uninstalling it first and then downloading the latest version from the official website. Anyways, if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel or comment down below any tutorials you want us to make so we can help you.